Hello students, welcome to engineering assignments.
Students, today we are going to deal with graph traversal algorithm. So graph traversal algorithm visits the vertices of a graph. So it will be visiting all the vertex inside the graph according to some strategy. So there are two methods of graph traversal. One is BFS, another one is DFS. So BFS is breadth first search and DFS is depth first search. Okay. So today we are going to deal with breadth first search. Okay, is a way to find all vertices reachable from a given source vertex S.
So here S will be taken as a source vertex. From S, you will traverse towards all the vertexes in this graph. Actually, there is no criteria for selecting a source vertex. It can be according to the alphabetic order, you can take A first, or according to the numbering order, you can take 0 first, or you can take any of the vertex in the graph as a source vertex. Sometimes in the question paper, they will give you a particular vertex to be considered as a source vertex. So you can take accordingly. Breadth first search is also called as level order traversal. In today's video, we'll be dealing with algorithm first, then we will discuss problem based on this. Our BFS algorithm begins with setting all nodes as unvisited in the graph. So algorithm BFS G, U. First step in algorithm is set all nodes are unvisited. Next step is
Then mark the starting vertex U as visited. So I told you that we have to take a source vertex. So we take that source vertex, suppose the name is U, and you have to mark it as visited. Then you have to put it into a empty queue. So here we are using a queue. So queue, you know that it is FIFO operated. The first in and first out we have to do. So mark the starting vertex U as visited and put it into an empty queue. While queue is not empty, what you have to do is you have to dequeue that particular vertex from the queue.
that is you have to remove the particular vertex from that queue. While the vertex is having any unvisited neighbor, say W,
Mark W as visited, then NQW into Q. So mark W as visited and NQW into the queue. If there is any unvisited node, say X, visit that X, insert into the queue and go to step 3. Okay. So this is how you perform an algorithm of BFS. So we are going to do BFS problem. So here I've given you, say, this is a graph I've given you. It has vertex 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6.
according to the algorithm, first you have to set all node as unvisited in the graph. Next, you must select a starting node. You can say it as our source node.
So this is a graph which is given to you and you can take any of the vertex as a source node. Okay. So here I'm going to take 0 as starting node. I'm inserting it into the queue. See, while the queue is not empty. Now see, the queue is not empty, no, because 0 has been inserted into the queue. Dequeue this vertex from the queue. Now dequeue 0 and insert it into result and print it. See, I have dequeued 0 from this queue and I have put it inside the result. So when I'm putting it inside the result means you're printing it. Okay. Then after that, when we have visited there, we paint 0 as visited.
You can see there I have painted 0 as visited. According to the algorithm, next you have to find out the adjacent of the starting node. That is whether it is having any unvisited neighbors or not.
So let us check whether 0 is having unvisited neighbors. So the unvisited neighbors of 0 is actually 1 and 3.
The adjacent vertices of 0 is 1 and 3 and it is inserted into the queue. Here there is no particular ordering of the insertion into the queue. You can insert even 3 or 1. So whichever order you insert into the queue and that particular order will be followed in the BFS traversal. So there can be numerous BFS traversal for a graph.
Now you have to dequeue next element from the queue. and insert it into the result.
So the one is coming in the front of the queue. So it has to be dequeued from the queue.
See, so whenever I'm dequeuing it, you have to cross this and I've inserted into the result. Okay. And after, whenever you insert into the result, you should mark it as visited. So we will be printing 1. And next what you have to do is, next you have to check the neighbors of 1. The neighbors of 1 is 0, 3, 2, 5 and 6.
According to the algorithm, next you have to insert unvisited adjacent neighbors of 1 to the queue.
So 0 it's already been inserted into the result and it is already been visited and it is also printed. So no need of taking that. Next you consider 3. It has already been inserted into the queue. So no need of taking it again. Next, what you have to do is you can insert only 2, 5 and 6 which is not even there in the queue also and it is not even printed. Okay. So what you will do after 3 you will insert 2, 5 and 6. Next, in the front of the queue is 3. 3 is inserted into the result and it is being printed. So after getting printed off, it is shaded. Then you will check for the neighbors of 3. Who all are the neighbors of 3? So the neighbors of 3 is 0, 1, 4, 2. Okay. So 0 is already been printed. You can't take that. 1 is also been printed. You can't take that. What about 4? It is not taken yet. So 4 is inserted after 6. Then what about 2? 2 is already there in the queue. No need of taking that. So our queue will be like this. Now next in the queue is 2. Let us check for 2 now. Neighbors of the 2 are 3, 1, 5, 4. Let us check whether 3 is being visited. Yes, it has already been visited and printed. Then what about 1? It is already visited and printed. And what about 5? It's already there in the queue. So no need of taking that also. And what about 4? It is already there in the queue. So nothing has to be inserted into the queue. What I'll do is I will just put it inside the result and I'll print it and I will shade the 2. Okay. Now after 2, next node is 5 in the queue. So let us check who all are the neighbors of our 5. The neighbors of 5 is 1 and 2. Okay. So let us check what about 1. 1 has already been printed. No need of taking that. 2 has already been printed. So no need of taking that. So nothing has to be taken into the queue. Only you have to insert into the result. You have to print it and you have to shade it. Now inside the queue, next element or next vertex is 6. So let us check for 6. The neighbors of 6 is 4, comma 1. So 4 has already been there in the queue and 1 has already been printed. So no need of taking that. So simply you will dequeue 6. You will dequeue 6 from the queue and you will put it into the result.
You will print it and you will mark it as visited.
So next element is or next node is 4. 3, 2, 6 are the neighbors of the 4. 3 is already been inserted. Okay, it is already been printed. 2 also already been printed. 6 also already been printed. So no need of inserting into the queue. So just
DQ4 and insert it into the result and mark 4 as visited. Also print 4.
so this is the final result. That is 0, 1, 3, 2, 5, 6, 4. So there will be numerous number of BFS traversal for this particular graph. It is according to in which order you are taking the vertex.
So in this video, I have discussed BFS traversal. Also, we have done a numerical on this. In the next video, we will be dealing with BFS complexity as well as the applications of BFS. Thank you.